Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good afternoon. Such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. The moment of truth. So the other day I mentioned that this dress is not comfortable because here is a little bit too high. So I want to cut it. And here is my philosophy. Yeah. So if something does not work on it. Solve it. If I do not solve it, I will never wear it because it's not comfortable. If I cut it and try my way of doing it, there are two chances of result. One is I fix it, I can wear it. The other chance is I cannot fix it, it goes even worse. Then I do not wear it. So at least I have 50% chance of getting it right. Okay, I will not talk too much. Let me do it because this is the neck. Can you see it? This is the neck, and here feels very short. So this is the line I will cut. A lot of people say, how about if you get it wrong? You get it wrong because you cannot wear it. But if you do not fix it, you will never wear it. So let me just try a little bit. This is not a video of sewing skill. This is a video of sewing clumsiness. Oh my goodness. I do not do any of this. Want to see my work, don't you? Want to see me losing face in front of the world, don't you? I am on. No fear. Okay, it's a cluster. It will not. As long as I can hide it. This is the back side. Nobody will come to my neck and see it, I think. So, c'est pas grand courrier, mais ça marche pour moi, pour l'instant. Nobody sees it. Nobody gonna see. They gonna see. No one will notice. They gonna. Uh-oh. Maybe a little bit here. Ching, ching. this is the place will not use any force, so that should be okay. No effort is required. Oh my gosh. I think the internet will have a field day of laughing at my sewing skill. Go for it. Go for it. Nobody gonna see. If it does not work, fix it. Fix it. There is a chance you can wear it. Do not fix it. There is a chance you will never wear it. Let's see how it works. If I can make it. I think this will work. And then we can do an outfit of the day. Does not look very, very pretty, but I can put a brooch, a flower, an origami, something like it. There is a chance that this can be a useful clothes. However, if I do not do it, it will never be useful. That's good. If in China, I mean whichever country, with this skill I will never get married. But I'm done. I'm already married. So no worry about that. Okay, so this is it. You can see here, still a little bit tight because I think the size is one size too small or half size too small. And oh, look at my muscle. So you can see the bag and a little bit tight, and this is how it looks. I think this is just as much as I can go with it. What do you think? I cut it, otherwise it's just too not comfortable. And I am cutting another one, and I am cutting off another long skirt. I will show you.